Hey people, so I've been feeling so guilty about this show called Deep Dark Desire that is on Netflix, and it was on the number one spot, and now it's slipped to the second spot on the most watched shows on Netflix that are trending in India. And this being a Spanish show, Spanish series, even the like you need to watch the subtitles to be able to understand the film. Like it's episodes, and like honestly, it's all about this woman that overhears her husband speaking to his assistant slash mistress, and then she decides to kind of at some level get back at him. So I have to say this, yeah. European dramas have a very serious setting. I mean, which it is. I mean, the like serious as in dark. Dark is one thing that there's a series also by that name, Dark, right? So even this